Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen. As-salatu was-salamu ala khatimin nabiyyin wa ala alihi wa sahbihi ajma'in. Amma ba'd. Fa'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Qala Allah ta'ala fi Surah An-Nisa رسلا مبشرين ومنذرين لئلا يكون للناس على الله حجة بعد الرسل وكان الله عزيزا حكيما. Translation: We sent messengers as bringer of good news and warning so that the mankind people may have no argument against Allah after messengers. Allah Almighty is ever all powerful, all wise. In the previous ayah we studied that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala have sent so many messengers, and Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala have mentioned some of the messengers in Quran and have not mentioned many of the messengers, but Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala's messengers should all be believed upon, and this has been the sunnah of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala sends these messengers to mankind so that they can clearly tell the commandments of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, so that in the day of judgment no human can say that, oh Allah, we could not even find what your commandments were. As a matter of fact, the human heart has inbuilt sense of goodness and the sins, and every human heart knows that telling the truth is a good thing and telling a lie is a bad thing, and every human heart knows that stealing is bad and keeping the amana or keeping the trust is a good thing. But to complete the hujjat of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, to complete the argument of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala have sent the messengers who will give the glad tidings to the believers that they will get the Jannah paradise in the hereafter, and to warn the non-believers that they will get the hellfire in the hereafter, so that no one can say in the day of judgment that, oh Allah, we did not even get your message, so how could we follow your commandments? If Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala willed, He could have made all the humanity believers, but Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has made this life the place of a test, and it is a darul imtihan. So Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has given all the humans an option whether they accept the guidance, whether they accept the truth, or they reject the truth and they reject the guidance. So those who accept the truth and the guidance, the messengers have told them that they will enter the paradise, and for those who reject the guidance and reject the truth, the messengers of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala have told them that they will get the hellfire. So let's pray that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala give us true understanding of Quran and make us among those who accept the guidance and who accept the truth and who believe in all the messengers. Ameen. Wa akhiru da'wana alhamdulillahi rabbil alamin. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu.